Forgotten username recovery failed on MarketFinance Fix. If your attempt to recover a forgotten username on MarketFinance keeps failing, don't worry, it's not your fault. Most users get this wrong because they don't realize that MarketFinance doesn't actually use usernames anymore. Instead, your login is entirely based on your registered email address. Here's how you can fix it quickly. Go to MarketFinance's official login page. Instead of searching for Recover Username, click Forgot Password. Enter your email address, the one you used to register your account. You'll receive a password reset email with a link to securely access your account. If the email does show up, wait a few minutes and check your spam or junk folder. Till nothing, try another email address. Many users sign up using a business or work email and forget which one they used. Searching your inbox for MarketFinance might reveal old communications like account confirmations or invoice updates, helping you locate the right email. If you've lost access to that email entirely, contact MarketFinance support. Provide identifying details such as your full name, company name, or the email you believe was linked to the account. After verifying your identity, their team can restore your access safely. Most people assume the problem lies with a missing username, but that's not the case. MarketFinance's streamlined system is designed for simplicity. Your email is your account key. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed, don't panic. Just use your registered email, reset your password, and you'll be back managing your invoices and funding in no time.